Hi everyone, let's learn SSC Board Standard 3rd 2026 English subject. This is a first poem 1.1 Rain in Summer. What is the name of poem? Rain in Summer. Do you know? Look at the following picture, identify them and say something about them. Okay. First one is scarf. SCARF, scarf. What is this? This one is raincoat. RAINCOAT, raincoat. This one cap. CAP, cap. Sunglasses. SUNGLASSES. Umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Boots. BOOTS, boots. And last one is, what is this? Jacket. JACKET, jacket. Let's start poem. Listen and sing. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. Let's learn question and answer. Fourth question, fill in the blanks. Hello everyone. ... M Swaraj. I am Swaraj. ... is Aman and ... is Juhi. He is Aman and she is Juhi. ... are playing in the rain. We are playing in the rain. ... are playing with me. They are playing with me. ... has an umbrella. Riya has an umbrella. Where is Riya? She is a Riya. Riya has umbrella. Okay. Fourth question. Read the poem and make a list of rhyming words. Rhyming words. So look at the in poem rhyming words. First one is a rain, lane. Okay. Second, roofs, hoops. Out, spout. Wide, tide. Pours, roars. Fifth question, find the opposite words for given words from the poem. Broad, opposite words in the poem, narrow. Ugly, opposite words in the poem, beautiful. Slow, opposite words, swift. Cold, opposite word, heat. Let's look at the hard words in the poem. Okay. First one is beautiful. Second one is dust. Third, narrow. Clatters. CLATTERS, clatters. Roofs. ROOFS, roofs. Tramp. TRAMP, tramp. Hoops. HOOFS, hoops. Gushes. GUSHES, gushes. Next one, struggles. STRUGGLES, struggles. Next one, throat. THROAT, throat. Overflowing. OVERFLOWING, overflowing. Spout. SPOUT, spout. Across. ACROSS, across. Window pane. WINDOWPANE, window pane. Pores. POURS, pores. Swift. SWIFT, swift, wide, 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 muddy, 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 TIDE, tide, river, 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 gutter, 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 rowers, ROARS, rowers. Thank you. अशाच प्रकारे सर्व लेसनच्या स्टडीसाठी तुम्ही मला फॉलो करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. प्रत्येक लेसनची, प्रत्येक चॅप्टरची मी स्टडी टाकत असते आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर. तर तुम्ही मला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि प्रत्येक चॅप्टरची आणि प्रत्येक लेसनची माहिती मिळवा. थँक्यू.